I just picked up this fiberglass boat for $1,200. Hasn't seen the water in 5 years. I'm going to be fixing it up on a budget, breaking down the cost and seeing how we go. This is episode 1, the budget build. Let's get it. Currently on our way to get some materials, painting the back of the transom, repairing some of the holes. Gonna gel coat it white. During the series, I'm just going to be breaking down all the budget, all the cost of everything, trying to keep it as low as possible. Try to get this thing back on the water ASAP. Never painted before, but you know, first for everything. See how we go. And I also got to sort out some of the seats. Have a look at some of the seats. Yeah, so just in this video, I just want to show you the project and my plans, and yeah, it should be good. I'm also going to do the painting in this video as well, so yeah, let me know what you think, and any other suggestions or whatever, I'm going to open to here. Cheers. Here she is, the beast. This new project boat, first ever one I've done. It's going to be very interesting to see how it goes, but yeah, I'm not actually too sure what boat it is, but one of my workmates was telling me it could be a ski bite by chance. Had a 135 Emerald on it. I'm taking it off today actually, but I'll put up a few photos of that and videos of what it was. About to rip her off, mate. I pretty much stripped it, I forgot to film it, dumbass, but yeah, had these seats in it, taking the seats out, taking the engine off, gonna put something new on there, not too sure what it's gonna go on, to be fair, but time will tell. But nah, it's yeah, excited to crack on with it and get it looking mint. Should be a rundown on what I'm thinking. It's a pretty solid trailer actually. Bearings are good on it as well. We'll need, I think I'll put some LEDs on it because the bulbs are all blown and it's just old and janky. I just want to redo it. But yeah, my plans are to take the boat off, give the trailer a touch up and a paint maybe, and we've got some subs up under there and speakers and whatnot. That will be fun once we get it going. New engine, chuck her on, and should be good to go. It's a lovely little boat actually, and excited to see how we go. Oh, she doesn't want to come off, just like that one. I think it's been wedged on there. It's been on there for so long, it's just fucking caught. I think I'm going to need to wait for a second pair of hands. For now, I'm just sort of buffing that down, getting it ready, because we're going to paint it black if I do choose to reuse it. I've also got some thin bits of stainless just to cover up some of these holes. Just going to put a bend on it like that and cut a wee bit out and go over there, just stop water getting in there, because that's the last thing I want. Put a bit of foam across there as well, just on each side, just to make it look a bit tidy, hide these holes. Yeah, but my real interest is this bloody transom. Got to see what's the damage. Also, another thing, bottom of the hole's been cut out for a bilge pump. Now, had this, straight on the toe. Yep, how you going? There's grate over it, and I just couldn't see the point in it, because technically, that gets covered, no water's going to get down there, and if water gets into here, it's just going to come up into the boat, so I'm going to have to seal that up, and just put a new bilge in there. Yeah, it's going to be good. Got it off. Bit of prying with the hammer. No worries. Goods have been secured. Got a bit carried away in there, I won't lie. Bought a Black & Decker sander, orbital sander. You know, went for the cheapest. not going to use it all the time. They're the exact same thing. Marine filler, foam rollers, 120 grit sanding discs, 2 mixers, wee brush for the little spots I can't get to, but I'm afraid of doing that because I have a feeling the finish will not be good with the brush, but we'll give it a go. So we got the total here, $114.12. I'm only putting into cost of products I use on the boat. So not the sander, I'm not counting towards the boat because I use it for other things and the discs and that. So we had the marine filler there, $38.58, and the roller kit because I'm only going to be using that for the boat, $18.39. Foam roller provide the best finish apparently, so we'll give it a go, eh? Here we go. Got some Top Black Plus white paint and some thinner. It came to $109.98. We are home. These are all the tools we've got for the job. Got the Boatmaster. Spin around and let's start. First order of business is to just fill these pinholes with some filler, and even those bung holes, not the big holes, just the side little holes there, just so when I get new bungs they probably won't match, or they might actually. I can just start fresh. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. I think the curing time on this is quite not that long, so once it's dried, I can sand it and get ready for the paint. Really press it in there. Get it in that hole. Get it in the hole. Oh, we got that in there. Full cure time is apparently 30 minutes, so we'll just while that happens, we'll just sand up inside here and get this all clean, ready for a paint. My main objective is this real smooth finish. So you see how where the fiberglass has been repaired, it's quite coming up onto here and just making it uneven. I'm just trying to sand that back so it's nice and flat, so the finish is nice and smooth. So I'll just carry on with this 80-60 grit, just get that all down to the same level, and then I'll increase the grit up and get it nice and smooth, and we'll be ready to paint. So yeah, that's the go. The plate's going to sit in there anyway, the steel plate, so yeah, it's not too much of a worry. So we're just gonna switch up to the 120 grit now, and then we've got some 240 here as well. Just go over it, make it nice and smooth, and then we'll give it a clean and be ready for a bit of a paint. We're all sanded, ready to go. Just need to put a bit more masking on, a bit that I've just missed. Just cleaned it all down with some terps, and yeah, that's why you get this paint mix going and see how she goes on. Here we go with the first coat. Wish me luck. Just finished the first coat. Look at that mirror. You can't even tell that it's been rolled. Like, it's crazy. Just got a second coat to do, which will cover up all those sand marks and that. And I might actually spray paint these brackets while I wait for the second coat. Just cleaned up the bracket with a wire brush. Let's paint it black. It's about 6 hours later. Just rolling the second coat now. It's coming up very nice. It's a very good product actually. I highly recommend it, especially for a novice, a beginner like me who's never painted a boat before. It's my first time. But yeah, it's just goes on so nice, and just you can't even tell it's been rolled. Like, it's crazy. Second coat done. But look at this. Little Mozzie just decided to fly right onto the fresh paint. Fucking dog. Oh, for fuck's sake. It's the next day. Second coat's down. It's drying up very nicely. Fucking real good reflection on that. There's a 7-day curing time for a full cure. But yeah, it's just come up so nice, especially for my first time painting. I'm about to rip the masking off, but I've filled up the hole at the back, which is good. I'm just going to place a metal plate over the top and seal it down, just for an extra layer of protection. Got the bracket all painted up, looking nice, and the little square bit that's going to sit just in here. Here we have it, the final product, the finished product. I think it's come up not too bad, to be fair, for my first time. But yeah, we've got the transom bracket back on, all painted black nice. Got a little cover in there. Found a hole in there. Wish I filled it before I painted it, but you know, shit happens. So I just had to put some cover over that. Yeah, it's come up real nice for the first time, for a first time paint job. So yeah, that's going to be episode 1. Hope you enjoy, and let me know if you want episode 2.